The Toytown Helicopter by Giles. The Toytown Helicopter by Giles. Here is the Toytown garage. The rain is coming down. The bus is coming home to the garage. The tow truck and the fire engine are coming home too. Look at the rain. Where is the helicopter? Said the tow truck. Look at the rain, said the bus. The helicopter cannot fly home in the rain, said the fire engine. I am going to live at the helicopter, said the tow truck. Oh, look, the rain is going away. Here comes the sun, said the tow truck. The Toytown helicopter is coming home. The end.